Handy Hudsonite here. If you've had problems with your AirPods not charging, whether it's the case not charging properly or one of your AirPods is charged and not the other, watch here and I'm going to show you 7 different methods that could work for you to get your AirPods charging again. We'll get into it right now. Before I get into these 7 methods, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more tips like this one. Let's get into these methods. Method number 1 involves keeping things in your AirPods and your case clean. Let's start with the lightning port. A lightning port can be easily cleaned with a soft bristled brush like this. The reason why you want to clean this port is it can build up lint over time, especially if you carry these in your pocket or somewhere where it's going to accumulate that type of debris. Just use the soft bristles, work your way in there, maybe shake it a little bit, give it a gentle tap to clean out that lint. Now, another way that you can clean this if the lint is stubborn is to take a small tool like this, a SIM card remover, or any other tool that can fit in here. Be very gentle, as this is the connecting port, and you can dislodge lint and debris, which I did on my iPhone because my lightning port was completely filled up with lint, compacted, and this tool got it out. Second method would be involved here with the cleaning to make sure your connectors are clean, the charging ports. The easiest way to clean these charging ports, which is where the stem of the AirPods go down, is to take a Q-tip and to gently clean the connecting ports down there. You could put a small amount of rubbing alcohol on here to clean those. Don't use water because it could cause rust and could cause these ports to stop working. Now, don't forget to clean the connecting point on the AirPods, which is just down at the bottom of the stem, this metallic part. Clean that off with Q-tip. Again, you can use a little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean that off, to get all the debris off. And if those don't work, if those cleaning methods don't work, to take your charger cord and plug it in and pull it out. Do this about 10 to 15 times. This could help dislodge any remaining debris in the port, getting that completely cleaned out. The second method for trying to deal with these charging issues is the charger itself. Now, the charging cord and your charging brick that come with the phone, these can tend to go bad over time, so you want to inspect your charging cord to make sure it doesn't have any sort of rips or tears or breaks in it. And try plugging in just the USB part to charge, because the brick can tend to go bad. I've had that happen to me. Or try a different charging brick if you want to see if that's the problem. If the charging cord is a problem, then you want to replace this with an MFI certified charging cord, or use the charging cord that came with your iPhone or your iPad, or try a friend or family members to see if that will work to get your AirPods charging again. The third method for dealing with this charging issue is just to let the case charge run out. Now, you can put your AirPods in, or you can keep them out, and just keep the lid open. And depending on how much charge is left in your case, it could take several hours. Just let the case just completely run out of charge, and then plug in your charger again to recharge it. Method number 4 is to reset the AirPods, and this is very easy to do. Let's come over to our phone and just forget these. So come over to Bluetooth, find your AirPods, hit that blue eye, forget this device. We'll forget it. And then what we want to do is come over to our case, open the lid, find the reset button on the back of your case, and press it until the light here flashes orange. Now, on the wireless charging case, the light will be in a different location, so note that. But I have the non-wireless charging ones, so my light is inside. There, it's flashed amber. So they are fully reset. Let's reconnect these to my phone. There, it's popped up. I will connect it, done. They're completely reconnected, but we don't want to just do this once. We want to reset these 2, 3, and for some of you, maybe even 4 times. That has been known to flush out any sort of issues with charging and even with connectivity with your AirPods. And make sure to check out my video where I look at 8 methods for why your AirPods are not connecting to your phone. Method number 5 involves restarting your phone. So in order to do a restart, and I'm not talking about a regular restart, I'm talking about a hard restart or a forced restart. And I have the iPhone 8, so iPhone 7, 8, and 2nd generation SE on up will use this method. You press the up volume key, down volume key, and then hold the screen off on key button until it completely turns off and you see the Apple logo come back up, and then you can release the button. I'm not going to do it on mine for the sake of the video, but restart your phone that way, reset the phone like that, and that has been known to clear out a whole bunch of issues related to not only charging but also with your AirPods having trouble connecting to your iPhone. So that was method number 5. Method number 6 involves resetting the network settings in your phone. So we come in here, go down to General, scroll all the way down to Reset, and then tap Reset Network Settings. You would put in your passcode, and then it will fully reset your network settings. So that involves your Wi-Fi network. Keep in mind it's going to reset all of your Wi-Fi passwords, so you will have to re-enter those again. Please note that. So the 7th method for dealing with charging with your AirPods involves some unconventional ways of doing this. Leave the AirPod in that is not charging. Take out the good AirPod, the one that's charging fine, and then we're going to reset the case. Now my AirPods are both charging fine, so this isn't going to show the way that it would if one of your AirPods was having trouble. But what you want to do is use the reset button again, and we're going to press and hold that, and you want to hold this for 20 seconds until the white light flashes green. Now it's not going to do it for mine, like I mentioned, because mine is not having this issue, but you would hold it down for 20 seconds. This has been known to work for some people in dealing with this charging issue of one AirPod not charging. So that is one unconventional method. Another one would involve toggling a couple of things in your Bluetooth settings for your AirPods. You're going to have to make sure your AirPods are connected for this. Go into your Bluetooth settings, tap the blue eye, and then what we're going to do is toggle automatic ear detection and turn it off. See if that clears up your AirPods not being able to charge. Turn it back on and see if it works properly. If not, you can leave it off, but note your AirPods are going to drain more when they're outside of your ear if they're not in your case. Another way is to actually toggle the microphone from automatic to left or right. See if that clears it up. This has also been known to solve some connectivity issues with the AirPods. Switch it back to automatic to see if it works properly. If not, keep it on left or right. People will still be able to hear you. If none of these methods still are not working for you, there is something else that you can do, but you're going to need another AirPod case of a friend or family member. Take your AirPods out of your case and get a family or friend to donate their case for you to try this. Now, you should also make sure that you have forgotten the device on your phone, and they should forget their device from their phone for this to work. Put your AirPods inside of their case and see if they charge properly. And if they do, then you'll know that the problem is not your AirPods, it's your case. And then that's where you may want to reach out to Apple to see what your options are, depending on if you have a warranty for replacing your case. So hopefully one of these methods, conventional and unconventional, worked for you. If not, please let me know in the comments. If you have another method that's been full proven to work, please let us know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Don't forget the like button if this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video.